Hey guys, this is the Thursday's afternoon video doing some more work on graphs because like I said, it's a skill that you really need to have for all the tests, really, math included, but also for science and social studies, you'll see it a lot. So the first one we're starting with, Todd and Brendan are both employees at a local fast food restaurant. The scatter plot shows the number of hours that each of them worked per day. Anything over 8 hours, it says, is considered overtime, and they want to know who worked more overtime. So this orange is Brendan, the blue is Todd. So I want y'all to pause this and see if you can figure out from this graph who worked more overtime, and then come back. Okay, so here's where I worked this out. I copied it over so I could actually write on it and it would be a little bit easier. So their final question with all that information they gave was who worked more overtime. You really have to look at each day for each person to see who worked what. So let's start with Todd. He's the blue line. He worked 9 hours on Monday. That's 1 over, so I put 1 down for him. He worked 4 on Tuesday, none on Wednesday, 3 on Thursday, none on Friday. He worked 11 on Saturday, which is 3 hours over the 8, so I put 3 down for him. And then he worked just 6 on Sunday. So now we're going to go to Brendan. He worked 5 on Monday, none on Tuesday. He worked 10 on Wednesday, so that's 2 hours of overtime. He worked 6 on Thursday and 9 on Friday, which is 1 hour overtime. None on Saturday and 3 on Sunday. So Todd worked 1 hour and 3 hours overtime Monday and Saturday for 4 hours. Oops. And Brendan worked 2 and 1 for a total of 3 hours. So who worked more overtime? Todd. So let's go back over here. Todd worked more overtime, and we are correct. So we've got another one that's very similar to this. I'm going to go to it first in case we run out of time. Okay, so Marianne and China are both employees at a local fast food restaurant. And this shows how many they worked. It says that Marianne's is in blue and China's is in orange. Who worked more hours? So they're wanting a total of hours worked. So let's go back over here, pause it, figure that out, and then come back. Okay, so here's where I worked that. I started with Marianne. She was in blue. She worked 5 on Monday. Okay, so 5 is between 4 and 6, so that's why I know that's 5. This dot's between 6 and 8, so 7. She worked 10, and then on Thursday 4. So see, I just wrote all of them down up here. She worked 0 on Friday, 5, and 11. So I wrote all that down, added them all up. It was 42. China worked 3 on Monday, 9 on Tuesday, 10 on Wednesday, 6. So you can just see I just wrote them all down as I went. 10 on Friday, 2 on Saturday, and 0 on Sunday. So I wrote all that down and added them up. Who worked more hours that week? Marianne did. So let's go back over here. Oh no, there we go. What happened? See if we can find it again. Well, that stinks, but that is the correct answer, and that is how to do that problem. So I have been having technical difficulties all day. This is actually the 4th time I've tried to do this video, so I'm going to just let this be good enough and be done with it. And I hope y'all are all having a great day. If you have any questions on anything, just give me a holler, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.